Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a professional-grade product that promises to take your at-home salon experience to the next level. We're talking about the professional 1,000-watt adjustable hair bonnet dryer with rolling wheel stand. This is a tool that promises to deliver salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. Let's see how it stacks up. This hair bonnet dryer is designed for versatility and efficiency. It comes with a 1,000-watt motor, providing ample power for a range of hair treatments. Whether you're drying your hair, using it for a hot perm, or even treating your hair with deep conditioning treatments, this product covers all your needs. The key feature here is the adjustable temperature, allowing you to tailor the heat to your hair's needs, with a maximum temperature of 75 degrees Celsius. Alongside that, it offers a timing function that runs between 0 and 60 minutes, perfect for precision treatments. One of the standout features is the rotating backflow design. This feature evenly distributes heat across your hair, ensuring that every strand gets attention. It works by circulating the warm air in a rotating motion, which can be particularly effective for even hair drying or setting treatments. Now let's talk about the real-world usage. I've had the chance to use this dryer, and I can tell you, it's built for convenience. The 5 omnidirectional wheels allow for easy movement, making it effortless to reposition the dryer, whether you're maneuvering it across your living room or moving it between clients if you're a professional. The sturdy metal post ensures stability, so you don't have to worry about it tipping over while in use. The bonnet itself is generously sized, comfortably fitting over most heads, and the ability to adjust the temperature means it can handle various hair types and treatments. Whether you have thick, coarse hair, or fine strands, this dryer can accommodate different needs. Plus, with its time function, I found it easy to set and forget, especially when I was multitasking around the house. However, no product is without its downsides. While the dryer does an excellent job of circulating heat, I did notice that the design, while sleek, could be a bit bulky for those with limited space. It takes up a fair amount of room in your beauty area, so if you're tight on space, that might be a consideration. Additionally, while the 1,000-watt motor provides ample power, it might not be as strong as some higher-end salon models, but it still gets the job done for home use. As for value for money, considering the price point, this dryer offers solid performance for the investment. It's more affordable than a full-fledged salon dryer, yet still delivers professional-level results at home. It's not just a hair dryer, it's an all-in-one tool for hair care, styling, and treatment. For anyone looking to elevate their hair routine, this is a solid option, especially when considering its durability and versatility. Now, if you're someone who prefers something a bit more compact or portable, you may want to explore other options in the same price range. But if you're after a quality dryer that can double up for a range of hair treatments, this one's a top contender. When it comes to build quality, this dryer is built to last. The high-grade materials and sturdy construction make it a reliable addition to your beauty arsenal. The adjustable hood and timer function also ensure it stays user-friendly and versatile for long-term use. If you've interacted with customer service from the brand, you'll know that they're responsive and willing to address any concerns or issues. While I didn't have direct contact with them, the brand has a solid reputation for providing support when needed. There haven't been any major updates to this particular model that I'm aware of, so if you're eyeing this product, you can expect it to perform just as described out of the box. In terms of alternatives, there are similar products available in the market, but few combine the price, features, and flexibility that this one does. If you're after a similar performance but at a lower price, you might want to look into models with fewer features, but they may not offer the same level of versatility for treatments like perms or deep conditioning. To sum it up, the professional 1,000-watt adjustable hair bonnet dryer with rolling wheel stand is a great addition to any at-home salon. It's efficient, well-built, and versatile. Whether you're looking to dry your hair, treat it, or use it for other styling techniques, this product can handle it. The minor drawbacks, such as its size, are outweighed by its performance and value. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.